Hey loves, hi, karibuni sana to another how-to episode. So today I'll be showing you guys how to achieve the normal 2 basic flat twist. And right now I'm just going in with the Grow Strong Hair Food by Dark and Lovely, just for anti-breakage. Then I'll use my comb just to part my hair into 2. Guys, I wanted to do the side part, but I'm not good at doing that, so I just start with the middle part, then you'll see how I'll connect the side part. Again, you want to go in with a clean, stretched and moisturized hair for a clean look. Then this is how I get my side part. And guys, these lines don't have to be perfect, so long as they're presentable. I think you're good to go. Now I'm going in with my band just to secure the hair that I'm not going to be using, and then start working on the hair that I'm using. So this is me basically taking the knots out, combing them out. And then I'll go in with a little bit of my gel just to take away the flyaways, just to kuzilalisha the flyaways. And trust me, you want to go in with a little bit because you don't want products to build up. After that, you basically want to flatten your hair to lalisha your hair for that clean look, clean finish like that. And we get into the twist. So I'm using my middle finger and I'm using my index finger and my thumb to separate that hair. Then I'm sectioning that hair again. Then I start my 2 strands twist. But the catch here is you have to grab your hair as you go down your head, as you go to the back of your head. So basically what you're doing is you're grabbing, you're twisting, and you're picking. So you pick hair as you go back, the hair that you've picked and the hair that was in your hands, you twist it across the other hair. Then you pick hair from both sides like that. Then you twist, grab hair, pick it up, twist again, grab hair, pick it up, and just twist. And make sure your hair is moving to the back, just to have that flat twist. Pick, twist, and grab. Basically that's all you're going to do for the rest of the hair. Guys, make sure that you have a firm grip just to enable you to tighten the hair. So I'll basically do the same thing until I've reached the back of my head. This is just me taking out the knots out. Okay, this is what I believe for flat twist. When you get even sections from sectioning your hair with your index finger, and your grip is strong, and you do this hairstyle on a moisturized hair, I think basically that's the secret of this hairstyle. Oh, and the twisting part, sorry. Yeah, you just twist until you get to the back of the head. Once you're at the back of the head and you can't pick any more hair, you just do the normal 2-strand twist. And then go ahead and secure that part of the hair like I'm doing, and yeah, so that it doesn't unravel. And then you go start working on the other side. So I'll basically do the same thing on this side. You just grab, twist and pick, and you twist going away from your face. Brushing it out, then a little bit of the gel. Then section a little bit, then section again, and just start twisting. Twist, grab and pick, twist, grab and pick. And remember guys, you're picking from each side. Yeah, just remember you're picking from both sides. Guys, I really hope the video is helpful. So after you're done, you'll just take another pin and secure your hair to the other side like that. So I'll just go in with my gel again and work on my baby hairs and attempt to work on my baby hair. Let it lay for a little bit, and voila, that's basically it for this video. So guys, I really hope you did enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and to try. So Yeah, thank you so much for watching and God bless you. Bye bye.